mother's punishing gift of death and destruction, of life and creation, is coming to an end. Juiced on shrooms sprouting from prairie pies, one of us tamed the untouchable. More ape than man, our precious, horrific gift nourished our minds and sheltered our souls. And so we burned for 1,000,000,000,000 setting suns, and from hell's cradle we forged blades and perfected killing one another. In equal measure, Mother's gift gave us wings to fly above our shining cities. And just when Mother Earth can give no more, when we have burned the last barrel and all her marvels are going sterile, Father Sun has come to save us. Mimicking the green that blankets our world, we soak up the sun. But how long do we wait, spending more on war than reversing our fate? Do we build out e-glass from sea to sea, or in our endless greed, do we burn the last barrel and scurry like roaches in peril? The sirens are singing, the alarms are ringing. Build or burn automaton, build or burn automatons.